In this video, we will explain water pathways of the hydraulic module. From the pump, cold water is directed into this inlet, which sends water to the flow meter. Cold water is in on the left side and out on the right side, and then through to this check valve. Let's take a closer look at our flow meter fittings. The outgoing side has a blue tip, indicating that it has a built-in flow restrictor, as can be seen here. As mentioned just a moment ago, water then passes through this check valve. I'll zoom in so we can take a good look at this check valve and the proper orientation. It is labeled with in and out. When replacing any check valve, it is important to install a new part in the same direction, which in this case is from right to left, as shown by the blue arrow. The color blue in our videos indicate cold water flow. After the check valve, water is then sent up to this T-fitting, which fills the boiler with cold water. The other side of this fitting goes to the PRV, which I will come back to at the end of this video. As you can see, the tank is offset just a little bit, which is designed to send any air pocket to the top and the first to be exhausted when the valve opens. Water then comes out of this port and is sent to the valve block. On this valve block, we have a brew valve left, brew valve right, and a cleaning valve. When dispensing to the left brew group, the left brew valve opens and water is directed two ways out of this T-fitting. The top side of the T-fitting sends water to the expansion chamber. The bottom of the T sends water directly to the mechanical module. On the expansion chamber, the tower is just an air pocket and fills with water until the pressure is equalized, then sends the water to the mechanical module. The purpose of this valve is to provide a ramp up in pressure of the water to the coffee, providing a more even and consistent extraction. The right brew valve acts the same way as the left, only it feeds the expansion chamber from the back side. The last valve on this block is the cleaning valve. During a cleaning cycle, this valve sends hot water out of this middle fitting and over to the cleaning assembly. When the cleaning tablets are dissolved, cleaning solution enters this last fitting and is directed to the clean switching valve. Without any power applied, this clean switching valve is normally open to the left side and sends the cleaning solution through this check valve and out to the left brew group of the mechanical module. Let's take a closer look at this check valve as well. You can see that there are two arrows to show the direction of flow, in this case left to right. In our videos, the color purple indicates cleaning solution. When the right brew group needs cleaning solution, the clean switching valve activates and the flow is directed out of the third way through this check valve and finally out through the right brew group to the mechanical module. The check valve for this side has the flow going from right to left. You'll notice that both check valves have the flow directed away from the clean switching valve. The PRV is a mechanical safety that opens when the pressure in the tank reaches 13 bar, plus or minus 1. This sends water down this tube and over to the drain box. The third way of the two brew valves also drain to this box as an anti-vacuum.